All right, appreciate it. Ooh-wee. All right. Oh, no way. There's 2 chairs in here. That's awesome. Oh, that made it better instantly. All right, we're not going too crazy into detail yet, but this is a good sign already. It's extra large champion. Don't know if it's real, but it is real old. That shirt's ripped up. All right, so I was guessing 90s was the feel that I had for this. Like I said, of just Levi Strauss, little E. But this thing was a surprise. Like, it's got some condition issues, but repairable. I knew about the small chair, the table, and this one. I did not know about this one. But I'm just kind of going back and forth here because I think this is going to turn out to be pretty good. Definitely need to get a box cutter. We're definitely going to come back tomorrow full force. This is just to get an overview. This is a big patchwork Afghan. Man, that thing is big. We got flannel blankets. Some of these are really good money. Looks to be a little tattered. Here we go. Century of News. December 30th, 1999. So we get this says videotapes. That mirror I moved earlier. All right, what do we have in here? Let's see, Power Rangers. Let's see, Lethal Weapon sealed. Dragons of the Orient sealed. We got some sealed VHS. This goes 2 layers deep. Jackie Chan First Strike. Ariel's Undersea Adventure. Something. Barbershop sealed. Oh man. Love Finding Me. The Turtles. Ninja Turtles in the Case of the Killer Pizza. Lots of sealed VHS. Maybe this is good. I'm not gonna really look stuff up. I'm just gonna kind of go off of what my little bit of knowledge will tell me, but this will be a fun box to kind of go through. All right, I think we have some toys. Don't know what's in this bag, if anything. This looks like a little, oh, Rugrats Volume 1. Dillaby. That's cool. That'll go on the shelf. World Top Class, Miami. Nice. Okay, 1995 Stanley Cup Finals. Devils and the Red Wings. That's not bad. Okay, hockey fan. Or just had a cool shirt. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, these are the shirts you could get made. They were pretty cool. All the old tube socks. Oh. Yeah, I have no idea what's in the boxes. Sweatpants. Mail. A pager. Nice. Kirk Franklin Church Boy. TD Jakes. That's what I'm talking about. We got dust on the bags. That is a old pillow of somebody. Oh, but we got 101 Dalmatians. Sleeping bag, I think. All right, let's go climbing. Bag full of shoes. Rose Art Studio. Monopoly. Now plush are fun. That bear's not fun. It's the letter H. Let's see, a Tweety bird. It's a Gund teddy bear. 1988. I'll set him off to the side. Oh man, those things were cool. He's pretty tore up, but those are awesome. Yep, old Looney Tunes, Namco. Tweety bird got a flat head. And a bigger space Tweety bird. 1994, doesn't look bad. Oh, broke something plastic. Tape dispenser, okay. Another Tweety bird. Seeing a trend here. Another Tweety bird with a gold chain turning green. Another Tweety bird. Pink hippo. Oh, cool. I see another little cool something. Don't want to break it. Another little wicker chair with the teddy bear in it. That's cool. This is definitely the wicker unit. All right, let's see more. Tweety bird. All right, well, I'm gonna have to save some of this because I will sit here all day. Oh man. See, this is what I was talking about. That's old Tommy right there. Got that Adidas jacket, reversible logo on the inside. Those are two pretty good pieces. This looks cool. The in-crowd collection. Look at those colors. That's cool. All right, we're seeing some other cool stuff now. This might have to be the stopping point. It's a big pea coat. Oh, Rothschild. What's that? See some stripes like it's bears, but I also see the sleeve. Oh, the whole back is ripped, but that is a starter. Man, that would have been nice. I'm seeing some other cool colors though. Oh man, there we go. Hot Wheels racing. That's cool. All right, keep them coming. Then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna have to stop. I'm gonna have to save some of this till tomorrow. Oh. I'm just sinking in clothes right now. I need an old Nike jacket. Don't know what that tag is. All right, still digging. This looks like Virginia State. Oh, look at that. That Rugrats watch. Come back tomorrow. Got a game plan. See what else we can find.